What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Zab. Welcome back to another YouTube video. We're going to talk about trading on this video and show you guys how to get started with trading. And in this series, I will show you guys my account. So today I did my $100 challenge on my Robinhood account. And I will be making one trade or two trades a day on my Robinhood. And starting with $100, I will try to go as high as I can with small gains. So let me just share with you what my Robinhood looks like right now. It is at 107. So, all right. See if you can see this. Maybe not. Yep, there you go. You can see it 107. Okay. And 1 month ago, again, see it 107. So, the whole month, it is November 16th. So, half of November is done. And I will be making this series and teaching you guys how I trade and how we can benefit from trading a little bit. All right, so let's get started. I trade S&P 500 every day, SPY, and I try to catch moves on the upside or downside, calls or puts, and I try to. It's a very specific scenario that I look for every day. The term I use is called boxes, but basically it's a supply and demand zones that I trade. You know, the term boxes I will use in my videos continuously, and I will talk to you guys about how can you use boxes on different stocks and supply and demand zones to benefit from the trade. Okay, this is an everyday series. I will be posting as much as I can, and I will be showing you guys how my charts work and how my charts are looking. So as you can see, take a look at the chart right now. I'm sharing my screen here, and let's just go over some of the basic things. When I do, I'm gonna go ahead and just create a new layout completely and show you guys exactly how I start my morning off when I'm getting into a trade. So create a new chart. Oh, I have to upgrade this. Long-term stuff. Yeah, let's go on this one. This looks promising. Long-term stuff. SPY on the 2-minute chart. Good. There you go. Perfect. So the first thing I do every morning around 9:30, I would come in and I would look at the support and resistance level. Very high level support is basically the price bounces towards the upside. Resistance is the bounces towards the downsides. Okay, so I will go ahead. If you want me to make a video on support resistance, please let me know. I will gladly do so. And I think I do have a video on support and resistance on my channel. So let's talk about this, right? We have a little bit resistance here. Okay, see a red here, we see a red here, and then we see a red here. So these three resistance. I'm drawing this on the 5-minute chart, by the way. And every day I would go back and remove my lines. All right, you have a support over here, bounce up, it came back down here, and then bounce up, came back down here, bounce up. So support here, and then we're gonna put another support line right over here. Low of day, low of pre-market, and my support here. So these are my these are my lines that I would start my day off with. It's a very basic rule, very simple rule, very clean cut. The next thing I would do is I would take a look at huge price movement on the upside or huge price movement on the downside. So on the upside, we want to see huge long green candles, at least three green candles is what we're looking for. And we're gonna go ahead and map those out. So in this case, I will now for this I would go back to the 2-minute chart and I would see where are the where are consecutive uh, 3 or more green or red candles that is forming. Remember, I don't care about the previous day or the day before. I only care about the 2-minute chart and see how this does. So here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna take this red candle. I'm gonna take a candle behind these three, at least three green candles. This is the red candle. I'm gonna make a box on this red candle. That is my zone. Okay, that is my first zone. Go up, there's a 3 right here. Price moved up here. Over here price is moving down. I would create a zone right here. Okay, because there's a huge push on the downside. I took this right here. You can even draw a trend line, you know over here, that you can see. Oh, there's a trend line, so that might be something to take a look at. And then obviously, push up on the upside, 1 2 3. I'm gonna go ahead and create a box right over here. Okay, there you go, create a box right over here. So now so now these are the boxes or the levels that I'm playing. The boxes means that every time something comes inside a box, it will either bounce off a box, it will break, or retest from the box. I only play break and retest, so those are my strategies that tend to be working. Okay, now zoom in. Now the day opens, you see 1 2 3 4 candles. I'm gonna go ahead and create a box over here, and this is how I start drawing my boxes real time. And as you see, at the end of the day, I'm left with something like this. You know, why is this box brighter than this one or this one or this one? Well, these boxes have been overlapped multiple times. That's why these boxes are brighter. And we do plan on seeing something on the downside with this box. Like if this touches this area, it'll come right back down. That's something that we can look for. Okay. So, after you make your boxes, you want to see what you want to do. Basically, your moves are going to be this. Every time something comes inside your box, you are going to play calls or puts, if you're trading options. You and it's remember, your stop loss needs to be tight. Stop loss needs to be either the top of the box or the bottom of the box. This is what your range is. So, um, how do I play it? It broke this box, it's retested it, it's going the downside. It came back up, downside. See, same thing here. Up, retest, up. All right. In the 2 minute chart, let's start drawing more boxes. Go up, break, retest, up on the upside right here. So you take the boxes of supply and demand, and every time something comes inside the box, you will play it on the downside. So that's what I played today. That's what I played today. I played a break and retest of a box, which was about this position right here. Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? There was a downtrend here happening right here. The downtrend happening right here. This was the position that I wanted to play. So exactly what it was. So it broke the downtrend line. It broke the downtrend line. It broke this box on this green candle, and I went into calls here. I was red a little bit here, but I waited, and 1 2 3, it broke out of this box. It was going towards the top box, so I got out, but that was my position. I went in calls here, was down a little bit, broke out of the box, and I secured my winners over here. It's not a huge win. It wasn't a huge win. I don't think I held it all the way up here. I think I may have held it maybe. Did I hold it all the way up here? I don't know. I don't remember. I think I held it maybe up to here because it was only a 5% win. But that's how you would play break and retest. Every time it works. Every time, especially if it's a break and retest, majority of the time it works. In this case, it broke this box. It retested it over here. We retested it, and then it pushed back up. This one green candle could be your profit if you're looking for small jabs. Surviving in the market is the game. This is the first day of my Robinhood account, $100, and I'm going to share with you guys every single day how my trades go on that account, and I will share with you guys. Well, if not every day, maybe every weekend. I will post one video and talk about some of these things and see how my trading journey is going. I'm a new trader. I'm still learning. There's a lot more for me to learn, but from what I have learned so far, I think I have the strategy down. And if you guys can benefit from it, go right ahead. Have a great day. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, comment down below, hit that like button. I greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. This is the Trading Tortoise. Bye bye.